Remember that video I showed you from 21st was exactly what they were doing. Exact colors, size, distance, type of movement, uh, in, out, perspective wise. You guys want to communicate? I'm want to communicate with. I'm an open energy. Yeah, I got a sulfur connection. It's a little heavy, a little bit different than dust. So maybe sewer after sewer smell. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe a tenth all the way at the bottom. Tree line. Let's check plane finder again, see if it's not as whatever clogged up.